History of PC Stick. PC sticks were first launched in 2003. Gumstick is probably the first PC stick which used ARM architecture. The evolution goes like this. In 2003, Android Mini PC MK802. July 24, 2013, Google introduced Google Chromecast. April 2013, Tronsmart released MK908. In 2013, a Chinese company MeGoPad released a PC stick. In March 2015, Asus and Google introduced Chromebit. In April 2015, Intel Computer Stick. And finally, in October 2015, Magstick introduced a PC stick. Thank you for watching.